So this is the flashlight at night. You can see it's got a couple modes. You got dim, which basically just shows everywhere. So like you can easily see. That's dim. That's super bright. It's like a spotlight. You can even see the tree way out there, way up there. Super, super bright. It's basically a spotlight, which is insane. Of course, you got rapid flash as well. But yeah, like it's basically a spotlight. It's crazy. Crazy how bright it is. So this just shows you where to charge it and to make sure you charge it first before using. And under here, you're gonna have everything, all your accessories. So underneath this. This is the light itself. Lift up here for charging. On and off. They did coat it with some oil, so that's what you're going to see there. Normally they do that just to protect, keep things from rusting, so that's normal. You can adjust it through here, underneath, for mounting. We'll show you guys the brightness at nighttime, so you can press it. So if you press it, turn it on, rapid flash. You can then also have this button here where if you just press it, you press and hold it to keep it on, turn it off. You can double tap to keep it on. You can use both lights.